What is SARS-CoV-2 and what is COVID-19? SARS-CoV-2 is a name given to the 2019 novel coronavirus. COVID-19 is a name given to the disease associated with the virus. SARS-CoV-2 is a new strain of coronavirus that has not been previously identified in humans. Is this virus comparable to SARS or to the seasonal flu? The novel coronavirus detected in China in 2019 is closely related genetically to SARS-CoV-1 virus. SARS emerged at the end of 2002 in China and it caused more than 8,000 cases in 33 countries. Around 1 in 10 of the people who developed SARS was died. According to European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control estimates that between 15,000 and 17,000 people die prematurely due to causes associated with seasonal influenza infection each year. This is approximately 1 in every 1,000 people who are infected. But COVID-19 is much more dangerous than seasonal flu. What is mode of transmission? While animals are believed to be the original source of COVID-19, but now the virus spread from person to person. The virus seems to be transmitted mainly via small respiratory droplets through sneezing, coughing, or when people interact with each other for some time. The droplets can be inhaled and cause infection. The virus can survive on different surfaces for different times. For example, this virus can survive for several hours in copper and cardboard and several days in plastic and stainless steel. So be careful. What are the symptoms of COVID-19 infection? Symptoms of COVID-19 infection vary in severity from having no symptoms at all to having fever, cough, sore throat, general weakness and muscular pain, and in most severe cases it causes severe pneumonia, acute respiratory distress. Reports show that clinical deterioration can occur rapidly, often during the second week of disease, and recently reports says that in some cases the loss of sense of taste and smell have been reported as a symptom of COVID-19. How can I avoid getting infected? The virus enters in your body via your eyes, nose or mouth. So it is important to avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or cleaning hands with alcohol based solution, gels or tissues is recommended in all settings. So be careful. COVID-19 cannot be transmitted in areas with hot and humid climates. From the evidence so far, the COVID-19 virus can be transmitted in all areas, including areas with hot and humid weather. Regardless of climate, adopt protective measures if you live in or travel to an area reporting COVID-19. Taking a hot bath prevents COVID-19. Taking a hot bath will not prevent you from catching COVID-19. Your normal body temperature remains around 36.5 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. Regardless of the temperature of your bath or shower, the best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is by frequent cleaning your hands. By doing this, you eliminate virus that may be in your hands and avoid infection that could occur by then touching your eyes, mouth and nose. Eating meat will give you COVID-19. Attacking the non-vegetarians in the country and holding them responsible for bringing the disease to India is trending at the moment. The trend also urges people to give up meat if they want to survive the pandemic. The new coronavirus is a respiratory virus which spread primarily through contact with an infected person through respiratory droplets, for example cough, sneezes, or through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. Therefore, there is no scientific evidence backing the claim that coronavirus is spreading through chickens. Vitamin C supplements will prevent COVID-19. There is no scientific evidence backing this claim yet. Taking extra vitamin C does not even ward off the common cold, though it may shorten the duration of a cold if you catch one. Having said that, vitamin C does serve essential roles in the human body and supports normal immune function. As an antioxidant, the vitamin neutralizes radicals that can damage tissue in the body. It also helps the body to synthesize hormones. So yes, vitamin C should absolutely be included in the daily diet to maintain a healthy immune system, but it is not help to prevent the COVID-19. Getting COVID-19 is a death sentence. About 81% of the people who are infected with coronavirus have mild cases of COVID-19. According to the study published on Feb 18 by the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention, about 13.8% report severe illness, meaning they have shortness of breath or require supplement oxygen. And about 4.7% are critical, meaning they face respiratory failure, multi-organ failure or septic shock. The data thus far suggests that only around 2.3% of people infected with COVID-19 die from the virus. People who are older or have underlying health conditions seem to be most at risk of having severe disease or complication. While there is no need to panic, people should take steps to prepare and protect themselves and others from the new coronavirus. Therefore, this claim is not true. So this information help you to understand the COVID-19. If you like the video, please subscribe.